Hello everyone and welcome. So today I'll be helping you with solving systems of equations. So systems of equations are different equations all in one big parentheses points. So today I'll be teaching you about the two different equations in one big parentheses points, and these other ones are some more advanced ones, but they use the same um they use the same techniques to solve them. So there isn't really much to them except for this first one, which we will learn today. So systems of equations are equations, such as x plus y equals 2, y plus 2 equals 3. So then we can do it like this and solve for x and y like this. Well, 3x. Okay, so in this case, we can do it like this. So we can first have this first one, go to x equals 2 minus y, and then we could plug this into here. So y plus 2 equals 3 times 2 minus y. So that is 6 minus 3y. And then we can make the y's go onto one side and the numerical values go into the other. So we can add 3y to both sides. So 4y plus 2 plus 30y. Not plus 3y equals 6. So then we can minus 2 to both sides. This will cross out. This will be 4. So 4y equals 4. So y equals 1. And then we can unplug that into the equation to find x. So this is x equals 2 minus y. So if y equals 1, then x would equal 1 as well, since 2 minus 1 equals 1. Alright, so let's try some more problems, some practice problems to see how to solve these. Alright, so let's do the first one, which is to solve y equals 2x and y plus x equals 9. So y equals 2x, we can plug into this function in order to solve y and x. Okay, so y equals 2x, you can plug into here. So y equals 2x, that goes into 2x plus x equals 9. 3x equals 9, dividing both sides by 3, we get x equals 3. Alright, so x would equal 3. And then we would go back and plug x equals 3 into this first one, since that appears to be the easiest way to solve the value of y here. So let's just do that. So y equals 2 times 3, so that's 6. Alright, so we solved this one, and the y equals 6 and x equals 3. Alright, so let's go on and solve the second one. This one says to solve x equals 2y plus 5 and x equals 3y minus 2. So first thing we can see is that these 2y plus 5 and 3y minus 2, both equal x. So that means that they would equal each other as well. So we can just solve for y using 2y plus 5 equals 3y minus 2. We can then move the y's onto one side and the numerical values onto the others. So we'll just move these y values onto the right side and the numerical values onto the left side. Alright, so we can just subtract 2y from both sides. This would be y minus 2 equals 5, plus 2 to both sides. 7 equals y. So y would be 7. And then we can go ahead and plug y equals 7 back into this equation, and we'll just do it into the second one this time. So x equals 3 times 7, which is 21, minus 2. So that means x would equal 19. Alright, let's try this next one, which asks to solve 4y plus 4x equals 16. So 4y plus 4x equals 16. We can simplify this. I'm sorry about this. This is 3. Here, let me rearrange this. So 4y plus 4x equals 16. We divide both sides by 4, as you can see, by taking out the 4 here. Divide both sides by 4, so x plus y equals 4. And then, so x plus y equals 4, and y plus 2 equals x minus 3. So we can also simplify this. So this here would be 5 equals x minus y. And x would equal, when we add y to both sides, 5 plus y. Over here we can just go ahead and do the same thing. So x by subtracting y from both sides, 4 minus y. And like this last problem we did, we have x equals 4 minus y and x equals 5 plus y. So that means 4 minus y and 4 plus y equal the same thing because they both equal x. So we can just solve y that way. We can just move these two onto the same sides. So we can go on here, add y minus 5 to this. So this is negative 1 equals 2y. So then we can just do it. Y equals negative 1/2. And then we all just plug it into the first equation. So this first equation, we can do negative 2 plus 4x equals 16. This will add 2 to both sides, making it 4x equals 18. Then it'll be x equals 18 over 4 when we divided both sides by 4. So this will be 9 over 2 when we simplify it. So that would be the answer for that third question. Alright, so let's move on to the very last one, which is the fourth one. And that one, here, let me do that. So x minus 3 equals y plus 3. So first thing we can do is plus 3 to both sides. So this one will be plus 3. We take this out. So this will be x equals y plus 6. And then we could plug this into the second equation, which is y plus 6 plus 4 equals 10. Y minus 2 equals. So this is, so then we can minus y to both sides first. So we can see that we will cancel out both y's. And then we would be left with 10 equals negative 2. So would that be statement be true? No, it would not. So that would mean that there's no solutions to this system of equations, which can happen. That does happen sometimes, but not very often. But you should still be well aware that it does sometimes occur. So like in this case. So that means that would be invalid since there are no solutions to that. And I guess that would end our lesson for today. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop those down into the comment section. Thank you.